are here. Ayan. Ito po ay nabali na ng tuluyan. From the last time that we were here last year in July 2023 na nagkaroon ng sobrang lakas na pagbagyo, naputol yung bridge na yan eh.
Oh?
Yeah, naputol yan, babe. But now we are back. We're on our way again to Ilocos Sur first. We're gonna go to Vegan, quick lunch, and then pagkatapos nun, didiretso na kami sa Ilocos Norte. We're going to Pagudpod. Few days lang for this break. We just really need a break and we miss Pagudpod. Let's go!
Papam-pam-pam, bansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Papam-pam-pam, bansang pamilya. Papam-pam, samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.
So, Prince is already awake. Hi, Prince! So, gising na siya. Nakatulog siya for 12 hours. Well, simula sa house nung 8:30 p.m. last night. Gumising siya 8:30 a.m. na dito sa sakyan. Anyways, we are on our way to Hidden Garden Vegan for our brunch. Let's go! Where are they? Thank you. Let's go.
Baka gusto niyo po mag-shop. Taste po ma'am, turmeric, vitamin 1.
Thank you.
Pagkakawa ng uric acid, cholesterol.
Ikaw. Ooh, it's nice. Okay. Morning. Princess, may kamukha ka. Halika na. Halika. Ayan. Oh my gosh, your sister. Ito pa, meron pa. Ito. Wait. May kamukha si Princess, guys. Mga Papam fans. Ay, ito na pala. Ito. Kamukha ni Princess pag galit. Oh. Princess. Ayaw niyang pumayag. Okay, kung ayaw mong pumayag na kamukha mo yun, ito na lang yung kamukha mo. Babe, yan. Ito. Parang mas ako yun. Where is Daddy? Oh, that's me.
Yeah,
That's me.
That's you. Ate, wait for me. I wait for you. I won't wait for you anymore.
Hi, Dad. Anong pinili nating food for today?
Pakbet,
Pakbet.
igadu, calamares,
Igado.
at poki-poki.
Poki-poki. Sis, welcome to Ilocos Norte! We are at Ilocos Norte! Yay! Ay! Look at that! It's the first time in Ilocos Norte of this dude! Yay! We're going to We're going to visit the Badok na simbahan. Simbahan sa Badok. Milagrosang Church in Badok. Okay, let's go! Ilocos Norte! So, ito na yun.
Pwede kaya.
Thank you. Ayan, pwede. The action is right there at your feet. Well, I know a place where we can dance the whole night away. Underneath the electric stars. Just then be and we can shake the blues right away. You'll be doing fine with the music. So, kami po ay nakapasok na sa Paway. Thank you, Lord. Kami po ay nakarating at makikita na naman namin ang Paway Church. Ayan na. So, napaka-miraculous nito. Gustong-gusto namin dito. Tahimik, malaki. Very, ramdam mo talaga ang spirituality. We'll pray. Are finally here. Pagudpud na! Princess! So mula Manila hanggang Pagudpud, kumakanta po siya ng kumakanta. Iba! Prince wants to go to the beach. So here we are at Casa Victoria. Newly renovated the restaurant. Look. The restaurant and look at that. Mga around 4:30, mainit pa eh. Daddy. Ito talaga yung dahilan eh. Kung ba't kami nandito. The beautiful Saud Beach. You are what?
We are making a swimming pool.
You're making a swimming pool. So, ito po ang favorite hour of the day. Yung hindi na masakit sa mata. Hindi na masakit sa mukha. Sunset hour, the golden hour. And look, kung nakikita ninyo, no, nandoon yung windmills at the background. This is my favorite. Bakit gusto ko dito sa Saud? Let's see. So, of course, we will not forget that today is Palm Sunday and we're on our way to the church na malapit dito sa resort sa Pagudpod. At ang cute ng ginawa nilang makeshift na palm. Look. O, diba? So we are on our way to the Bangi Windmills. Yan, favorite namin. Yan na po sila. So I guess the best time to go here is yung walang mag-e-effort na pumunta dito katulad ng alas 12 ng tanghali. Ayan. Hey guys! Come on! Yes. So, kaya din sila napipilit pumunta dito because of the souvenirs. Let's go! The Bangi Windmills! You like the windmills? Sus! Are you shy? Ito yung favorite niya dito eh. Yan o. Lapit na.
Hello.
Hi! We're on our way to the resort of Doc Norman Rabago. Na-meet namin siya last time we went here. Yes, a new resort here in Pasukin. Welcome to Casa Cayu! Ito, bawal kayo dyan.
Bawal ka.
Okay, good morning from the beautiful Saud Beach. Na super init. Wait lang. May baon akong tuwalya. Teka lang. Magtatakip na. Oh my gosh, wait lang. Yan o. Kita nyo yan. Yung windmills. Ayan. Napakaganda. Kaya ako favorite dito sa Saud. Oh my gosh. Babe. Babe. Siya ang dahilan kung bakit nakaka-aura ko. Kasi siya ang alay sa dagat, si Ate Kim. Can I see? Can I see? Go! Where are we going?
I don't know.
To the sand dunes! Sinong nog-nog na? Nog-nog! Sinong nog-nog? Okay, we're gonna go to the sand dunes. Come on!
And buy McDonald's.
And buy McDonald's. McDonald's or Jollibee? Jollibee!
Jollibee.
Ako McDonald's.
McDo.
Jollibee.
KFC.
KFC.
Siomay.
Mang Inasal.
Mang Inasal.
No. KFC.
KFC. We're here at the Suba Sand Dunes in Pawai. Let's go!
Enjoy po.
Thank you! Here. Look at that. So, here we are at one of the stopover areas dito sa Pawai Sand Dunes. O, diba? Iniwan ako ng anak ko. Alam niya, i-video siya. So, huwag na daw siyang isama. So, ito yon. Look at this. We just left Casa Victoria in Pagudpud. We're on our way back to Manila, pero bago kami pumunta ng Manila, dadaan muna kami ng BBS Sweets kasi meron silang mga bonggacious na mga cakes doon, and we're going to pass through vegan also. Ayan, it was such a wonderful time here in Ilocos Norte. So, isa sa mga favorite namin is along the Pan National Highway of Ilocos Norte, sa Pasukin area, ay ang pagbili ng mga grilled na mga seafood. Sobrang sarap dito ng pusit, ang lambot. Hindi katulad ng pusit sa Maynila na parang nanlalaban, parang goma.
Mommy, smile.
Dapat
Bye-bye.